Navy. Members of the Corps Mariners practice their amphibious landing skills. The 21st Raiding Brigade has attached to Royal Marines in the northwest of Scotland for exercise Joint Warrior.
It's the first week for us, but it's always nice to be on the ship, and you see a lot of things like Scotland and England and everything like that, and it's a nice experience for us, so it's fun to train here.
Over 10,000 troops from 13 different countries are taking part in Joint Warrior, and it's on board the Royal Navy's flagship HMS Albion that the UK's Amphibious Task Group's manoeuvres are coordinated.
Something like Joint Warrior at this scale gets us integrated. It takes us to the next level. It's not just talking and being in the same sort of area, it's meshing into each other's task forces and learning how to fight and win alongside each other.
The exercise sees the task group taking on the role of a NATO force defending one country against the aggression of another. Joint Warriors held every second year, making sure the Allies are ready to cooperate when they're called into action for real.
It keeps the enemy guessing is the big thing that it does, because when you've got a whole pile of ships with a whole pile of Marines on board, then they're not quite sure where you're going to land, and depending on where you land influences what that enemy or adversary force could do. So a maritime task group and an amphibious task group creates uncertainty in an adversary's mind.
There's been extensive cooperation between Dutch and Royal Marines in areas of operations, logistics and materials, and the relationship's often held up by NATO as the best example of military integration between two nations.
It's especially important that we will learn to work together with the other NATO partners, so that if we need to work together, that we know each other and we know how to work together.
They recently deployed together in Norway for polar training in the Arctic Circle, and it's clear there's strong mutual respect between them.
They have really a good reputation in the Netherlands. We also like to work together with them because how do you say it? They are good in their job too. You know what I mean? They are very good in their job.
Joint Warrior aims to test the cooperation of the forces and their ability to face up to threats as allies.